internal anatomy of the heart. To do so, we're going to take off this top piece, this model, and we're going to look at the inside of this heart. So I want you to see that this pulmonary trunk is preceded by this valve called the pulmonary valve. The pulmonary valve is on the right side of the heart, and it's going to bring blood away from the heart through the pulmonary trunk to the lungs. Now, if we look at the heart, here again you have the right side of the heart and the left side of the heart. The right side of the heart starts with the right atrium. The right atrium receives blood from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. This valve is called the tricuspid valve, and blood will pass through this valve into this chamber called the right ventricle. Blood leaves the right ventricle, and as I said, it goes through the pulmonary valve, out the pulmonary trunk, and to the lungs. Blood returns to the heart into the left atrium via the left pulmonary veins and the right pulmonary veins. The blood is oxygen rich and it enters into the left atrium. It passes through this valve called the bicuspid valve, and then blood will enter into this chamber called the left ventricle. Blood is then pumped out of the left ventricle through this valve called the aortic valve. Then blood goes through the ascending aorta, the aortic arch, and then it will descend into the descending thoracic aorta or go up into the head via these large arteries.